family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I am working with doing my favorite thing. I am creating rainbow fruit cups. I love these, and it's summer is getting hot here and it's almost Memorial Day or for any holiday, and you just have these, if you have a long weekend, just have a few of these made up and you can just go into the fridge and just grab them and go. You don't always have to assemble everything every time you're ready to eat. So what we'll need, you just need a container of strawberries, just one of each, a container of blueberries, and this is a container of blackberries. I already have them. I have everything kind of ready for me to go. Blackberries, one pineapple, I've already cut it up. Some cuties, like if you're doing 6, you'll need 6 of these cuties. If you're just doing 4, 4. Okay, we'll need some green grapes and some red grapes. All right, now this time I'm doing them in some wine glass. And so I'm going to do the purple first. Berries, and keep things around the edge so it can be seen. So layers of colors. Okay, blue. So now we're going to go to the blue. Purple is violet. We're going to get our blue in there. We're doing the rainbow. We're going to do primary colors and secondary colors. Okay, so that's our blue. Then we're going to green. And kind of just lay the green around the edge of the cup. Yellow, get our pineapples in there. Got our yellow. Now we're going to do our little cuties, our oranges. Lay them around. You see how I'm doing that? See what it looks like so far? Okay, so we're going to lay our little orange slices around the perimeter. We're going to layer our strawberries. Do a nice little arrangement. And then you take one strawberry, and these don't have the prettiest color. Everything's been washed off. And then take one strawberry, and then we're going to garnish it. Have a pretty little collar. You make sure that shows. Okay, so that's how we make a rainbow cocktail, a rainbow fruit cup. Alright, so let's do one more. Then sometimes I'll put them in these. You can go to Walmart and get those clear cups. And like if kids are coming over, you'll put them in this and just put some plastic wrap on there. But then if I have a more mature crowd, we'll do it like that. Okay, so one more. I'm going to put 4. And you can do them on a smaller scale, like an appetizer size. Put them around there. Put all of our blues in. Oh, that green one keeps popping up. Get our blueberries. Layer our green grapes. I'm gonna have to get more green grapes. Lay them in there. These are always a hit at parties. Do them at appetizer sizes. Alright, so we got green, we got violet, purple, and blue, green. Thought I had enough already cut up. Then I'll just slice this pineapple section. Make it flat. Like that. Layer orange in there. This big strawberry here, we're going to lay that there. Arrange it beautifully. Uh-oh. I just sanitized my counter. It's all cool. Okay, and kind of flatten out that. Get a small or medium-sized strawberry just for the garnish there. Okay, and hang on. Let me show you what we do next. Take these little appetizer picks and stick them in there. And so everybody's ready to just dig in. Okay, just clean up. Put them on a beautiful tray. And they're ready to go. And your guests are out in the parking lot, or I mean not in the parking lot, out in the patio, and you can just take them out to them. And you can have these done earlier in the day. Just put some saran wrap on them, and it's good to go. And like I said, I also like to put this one's for the hubby. And so put them in these plastic cups. Alright, find some plastic wrap. Just, you know, go on and wrap these up. And until your guests are ready to eat. Okay guys, so I got my rainbow fruit cups all ready. And aren't they beautiful? And then just take your little pick. And work your way through your cup. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in today. Thanks for making my cups with me. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you like this comment, hit that thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe if you're new. Hi Taste Makers. Hello to all my new subscribers. And hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Alright, thank you so much you guys. These are so good. Oh my god. Alright you guys, try this. Take care.